Welcome back to another little vloggy, cause this ain't gonna be nothing serious. Just another little update to the first update video that I made about the car. Basically showing you guys what we did so far and still what needs to be done. As you can see, the fender still needs to be fucking done, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. Let's go over a little bit of shit that I did do to the car. So this right here was chrome. I just painted this black with some spray paint. I gotta redo it or potentially wrap it, do it the right way. But for right now, it's fine. I also did that to the back, and I also got a little bit of forward going on. This right here was chrome as well, the door trim all the way around the door. I did go ahead and wrap that with some blackout tape, but I think I'm gonna redo this again when the time is right, because as you can see, it's all fucked up. It's not perfect. Now, as you can see, I did do the blackout for the chrome at the bottom of the lights, as well as the rear trunk panel, basically giving it like a P71 type of vibe. When I first got it, the fender was just gray. It was painted halfway with the chestnut brown, but I wanted to do the black bumper and homage of Snow White, because I do miss my fucking baby Snow White. So I'm like, let's do the black bumper on this, and then the chrome grills is blacked out Ford emblems, shit like that. Now the shit that we need to do to the car still, as far as maintenance wise, would be the tune up, spark plugs, and potentially coil packs. But the coil packs don't look bad. My grandpa said they don't look bad neither, so I guess we'll know if they need change once we actually do the spark plugs and shit like that, and pull them out and take a look at them and see what they look like. Because again, the car sat for 4 years. That's something I wanted to do right away, but I was just too eager and excited once I got it inspected to just get it on the road and shit. So I kind of like threw that in the back of my mind. She don't really need nothing serious. Like, she just needs a tune up and fucking rear brakes and rotors. And then I'm trying to find some wheels, because I guess when they got hit, this like got all fucked up, and I don't want to keep driving around like that and shit. And then we also got a slit in this tire. But yeah, I'm more so trying to get the tune up out the way, rear brakes and rotors, and then we can do the fender repair, get this shit fixed so all this shit can sit in here flush. Because I found some headlights for this car that I wanted to grab. When the time is right, we might grab the tail lights that I seen. They're LED tail lights. They're pretty cool, so we might grab them, because I don't really like the little like amber shit at the back of the lights. But yeah, that's that's pretty much it. Also, I'm not sure if this air sound is coming from where the exhaust meets the rest of the engine, like where the cats are and shit like that. But it has this weird ass like air sound when I drive, and sometimes when I start it up. Let's see if it'll do it when I start her up. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on. It's a bunch of shit we gotta take care of, but if we think about it, for a vehicle that sat for 4 years, those aren't really, you know, too big of a fucking problem. That when I revved it and it sounds like it got a fucking exhaust on it, it didn't sound like that earlier. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We just gotta do tune up on her, rear brakes and rotors, and we can start tackling the fucking fender. Eventually I want to go do a junkyard pull video, so we'll probably go do a junkyard pull, maybe for some wheels, or you know, a fender if that Crown Vic is still up there. It's been a while since I was up there, so it's probably gone. But yeah, that's pretty much it. My baby, like I said, I'm not gonna keep y'all long, bro. Just a quick little update on what's going on and what still needs to be fucking done, and what the fuck is magically appearing. Oh yeah, if I didn't say I need a battery, she needs a battery too. So yeah, it's a motherfucking lot, but we're gonna figure it out, bro. Yo, if you guys want to keep up with me and stuff like that, my TikTok is nahzyyy2v, as well as my Instagram is nahzyyy2v as well. If you want to see like the little mini clips and shit, and the little pictures and edits that I post of the car whenever I'm not posting videos on YouTube, they're all on there. But again, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm about to go to fuck home and figure out what the fuck that new sound is and shit, bro. And yeah, catch y'all boys and girls in the next one, guys. Deuces.